Welcome back to Next Wave. Today we are delving into the incredible world of garlic and exploring its amazing health benefits. If you are looking to boost your health naturally, garlic might just be your new best friend. Let's get into it. But first, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of our health and wellness tips. Garlic is more than just a flavor boost for your favorite dishes. It's packed with essential nutrients. One clove of garlic contains vitamin C, vitamin B6, magnesium, and selenium, plus it's low in calories but high in flavor. Boost immunity. Garlic is known for its immune boosting properties. It can help fight off common illness like the cold and flu. Studies suggest that garlic can reduce the duration and severity of these infections. So if you're feeling under the weather, a little garlic might be just what you need. Supports heart health. Garlic is the heart's best friend. Regular consumption of garlic can help lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels, both of which are key to maintaining a healthy heart. It's even been linked to reduced risks of heart diseases. Anti-inflammatory properties. Garlic has powerful anti-inflammatory properties. This means it can help reduce inflammation throughout the body, which is great news for anyone dealing with chronic conditions like arthritis. Antioxidant rich. Garlic is loaded with antioxidants that protect it against cell damage and aging. These antioxidants also support the body's protective mechanism against oxidative damage, which can contribute to diseases like Alzheimer's and dementia. Enhances athletic performance. Did you know that garlic has been used for centuries to enhance physical performance? Ancient cultures used garlic to reduce fatigue and enhance the work capacity of laborers. Even today, athletics and fitness enthusiasts benefits from garlic's ability to improve exercises performance. Garlic truly is superfood, offering a wide range of health benefits. Whether you love it or hate it, there's no denying its powerful impact. Have you tried any of these garlic tips or recipes? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to Next Wave and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated with all our latest health tips and delicious recipes. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.